Hi, in this video, we will use what we have learned about functions to understand better the number of people who have the coronavirus in the United States. The number of people who have the coronavirus, so here we have people, and here we have time. The graph looks like this. So at the beginning, it's growing very slowly, and then suddenly a lot more people have the coronavirus. Remember, as what we have learned, this kind of growth is called exponential growth. This will help you with question number 1 in your homework assignment. Exponential growth means that every day the number of people who are getting the coronavirus is multiplying. In the US, in fact, in the last few days, to find the number of people with coronavirus, we can multiply by about 1.3. Again, exponential means you multiply by a number every time. This will help you with homework problem number 2. Now, on March 12th, the number of people in the US that we know have coronavirus is 987. Remember, this is the people that we have tested and know. A lot more people probably have the virus, but we don't know yet because they haven't gotten tested. So on March 12th, 987. To figure out how many people have the disease on the next day, March 13th, we can multiply our number 987 by our exponential growth factor 1.3. Once again, this 1 times 1.3 is called our exponential growth factor. It's the number we multiply every time. So again, if we have 987 on March 12th, then on the next day, the number of people is about 987 times 1.3, which is about 1283. Let's summarize. The exponential growth factor of the coronavirus in the US has been about 1.3. That means we always multiply by 1.3 to get the next day. So if there are 987 cases on March 12th, then that means that on March 13th, we predict that there will be 987 times 1.3, which is about 1283 people having the coronavirus. This will help you with question 3. In fact, we know the real number is actually 1264, which is pretty close to 1283. Finally, from yesterday, we know that exponential growth functions look like this. It's exponential growth because we have an x in the exponent. We know that in the US, the factor is 1.3. That means we can erase this and write 1.3. That's how it's growing. Finally, if we know how many people there are with the virus on the first day, for example 1264, we can multiply that to get our number of people. In other words, the function looks like this. 1264 times 1.3 to the x power. Just to be clear, this multiply, this is the variable x. So if I want to make it more clear, instead of writing x multiply like this, I can write this for multiply. So it's 1264 times 1.3 to the x power. This will help you with the last homework question. That's it.